For the last 4 years, I have tried to get somebody, just somebody, to listen to me. And wouldn't you know, just like I warned, 3 years ago, the institutional money was telling you not to buy, when in reality, we have now found out that they were buying all along. They now admit that Bitcoin is a reserve asset and is going to be the fastest horse in the race to protect your wealth against inflation. With Bitcoin currently sitting around $23,000, just listen to the CIOs of Guggenheim and BlackRock, which manages over $7 trillion in assets.
Of course, we made the decision to start allocating toward Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 10,000. It's a little more challenging with the current price closer to 20,000. Amazing, over a very short period of time, how big of a run-up we've had. But having said that, our fundamental work shows that Bitcoin should be worth about $400,000.
Whoa.
So, we're going to, even if we had the ability to do so today, we're going to monitor the market and see how trading goes on valuation, but ultimately look to buy it.
Scott Minerd, we want to delay the Fed press conference for this comment by you. How do you frame a 400,000 Bitcoin? How do you get from where we are now out to 400,000? Is it just based on scarcity?
Yeah, right, Tom. It's based on the scarcity and relative valuations, such as things like gold as a percentage of GDP. So, Bitcoin is actually has a lot of the attributes of gold, and at the same time has an unusual value in terms of transactions.
So he thinks Bitcoin should go to $400,000.
So, I think putting a number on Bitcoin as a valuation is hard. I don't know there's an algorithm. I don't know. I just think, I think there's a demand that outstrips supply today and particularly when you're seeing debt printing, not just in the U.S. and Europe and other parts of the world. So, I think there's clearly greater demand than supply. I think storehouse of value, you're seeing it somewhat in gold today, but I think storehouse of value and I think millennials have definitely adopted Bitcoin is one of the ways you get that storehouse of value. So, I wouldn't say it should be at this price or that price because I just don't know how you can determine that. But it does strike me it's going to be part of the asset suite for investors for a long time.
I tried warning you guys, and this may be your last chance to jump on the train. The new bull market is upon us, and the institutional FOMO is kicking in. For more videos, please go to cryptomore.com.